a mini vlog from yours truly, Pressy. For today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ibang mga classroom settings. Yung ibang mga strategies or mga classroom activities inside our classroom with my children with special needs. So, kaning activity is measuring an object using a non-standardized measurement or using their body parts. So, yun ana siya. So, depende kung pila ka lupa, pila ka kuwaran. So, teaching with students with special needs, kay dili lang na siya about the lessons and everything. So, me as a teacher, as their teacher, I'm trying hard to teach them sa mga lessons that can be used in the real life situation for them to survive and for them to cope with sa atuang komunidad. So, ingon ana siya. So, it is challenging jud, like lisod jud siya. Lisod i-explain nila ang mga everything, but by the grace of God and wisdom, so na-survive ra jud nato. So I think I taught them well and they've learned from that specific lesson. So sometimes nakalimtan ni to discuss about this topic, pero it is really helpful jud nga no they can able to appreciate their kanang parts, body parts di ay nga it is also useful not just para ana no, so it is useful also for the measurement and everything, and also they can able to realize na ang mga butang there are different length, naa siya different nga, or naa siya different ka mga measurement, so they can able to describe things. So kani nga way po diri maka-enhance po ni sa ilahang capacity to think or ang ilahang knowledge about ang things kay na ay nagkalain-lain nga sizes, no, so it may be big or it may be short or long or tall, because they can able to measure it. So they can able to it also enhance and let them realize na we can able to use different parts of our body for us to measure. Ingon ana lang sa ingon ana rapod na. So how in teaching them isa jud na siya ka, like, it is as really as kanang a passion jud, kay pag start karon na realize ano na ni-cooperate na sila, but reality jud kay lisod jud na, like natinga pa sila and everything. So I also do a demonstration thing, like for example kanang dili makaya ka ng bata, no, dili pa niya makaya ang akong activity, I allow his kuya kana to teach him or to guide him para makahibaw kung unsaon ingon ana. So naihang kuya to guide him kay usahay good they can able to learn faster kung naa sila kabadi-badi ingon ana. So and also ma-feel pod sa kanang iyahang usa ka classmate that naay connection sila or naa sila bonding with his kuya in school. So that is why I'm just doing that kind of activity, and it's really makes our heart full, no, that at the end of the day we can able to teach learners knowledge, and we can able to let them realize things that they didn't even know before. So mara to, bye bye.